Welcome to our guide on mastering OKX with 10 powerful trading strategies for crypto success. Effective trading strategies are crucial for navigating the volatile crypto markets on OKX. Arbitrage trading allows you to profit from price differences across exchanges, including OKX. Scalping involves making quick trades to capitalize on small price movements for fast gains. Swing trading allows you to hold positions for days or weeks, capturing larger price movements. Range trading can be highly effective when prices move within specific boundaries on OKX. Momentum trading is about riding strong market trends for potential profits on OKX. Stay informed and ready to act quickly when major announcements impact crypto prices. Master reversal and breakout trading using support and resistance levels for a significant edge. Leverage technical indicators on OKX to gain valuable insights for informed trading decisions. Implement robust risk management strategies to protect your investments and ensure long-term success. Explore copy trading on OKX to learn from experienced traders and enhance your skills. Remember, continuous learning is key in the ever-evolving world of crypto trading on OKX. Ready to master OKX? Click below to create your account and start trading now.